Camporee, Colombo Camporee, 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 Colombo Camporee, 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 Colombo Camporee, 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 Colombo Camporee.
Good morning everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Aibuang Manakam. This is the 58th Colombo District Scout Camporee, going to be held opening ceremony tomorrow, 8th of December 2023 at 4:30 p.m. We have a good working committee of this Camporee, and we have done all the arrangements so far for this Camporee, and all campers are expected to be here today morning after 6 a.m. and then most of them are coming and pitching their tents, and then we'll be having an interesting program for the scouts who are going to camp with us. And then we'll be having activities from 8th of December, from morning. We'll be having the activities commencing on 8th of December at morning. And then the opening ceremony will be held under the distinguished chief guest, Secretary to the Minister of Education. And then we are expecting Chief Commissioner to come in as the guest of honor, and all the other headquarters commissioners and all my ADCs and all my ADCs and the district commissioner will be the distinguished guest for this Camporee. And we are expecting to have a interesting and very good memorable Camporee this year 2023. I hope God is with us to have a better climate for the boys to camp in here today. And then we are expecting more parents and the parents coordinators to come in like 8th and 9th and 10th of this December. And all the arrangements are done for the facilities, even the water facilities and the toilet facilities and the stalls what are coming for food facilities. And then we are having about 21 working committee, organizing committee members. They are the layer 1 and the layer 2. They are having another 25, and their layer 3 they are having another 35 members. Altogether, we will be having about 90 odd members working in the Camporee to make this Camporee a success, and hopefully to see everyone to have a safe environment and interesting with us. We are not expecting anything to be damaged by boys. And then park is for us, and given with all the difficulties, we have got this park, and then we have got all the approvals from the Education Ministry and the Presidential Secretary. We are very thankful to all of them. Like this Camporee, 58th Colombo District Camporee, we are going to have an interesting Camporee for this year.
Camporee, Colombo Camporee, 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 Colombo Camporee, 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 Colombo.